press the bell icon for all the updates.
Ask about the opinion for Irfan Khan are a very rare tumors, occur most commonly in intestine. Survival rate of a metastatic disease is definitely very low. Neuroendocrine tumors, or in short they are called NETs, are a very rare tumors arising from the cells of hormone producing nervous system, and they can produce many biogenic amines and hormones. They can occur most commonly in intestine, but they can also occur in many other organs like pancreas, lung and rest of the body. Seriousness of this disease totally depends upon whether the patient is having a benign or a localized tumor which has not spread out, or a malignant tumor which has spread out from its primary location. So generally they are very slow growing, but if they are high grade, and the grade we determine by seeing them under the microscope, then if they are high grade, then they are generally very aggressive and spread to other part of the body. If we talk about the survival rate totally depends on the whether the disease is localized or benign and has not spread out, and whether the patient has a spread out disease or a malignant metastatic disease. Survival rate of a metastatic disease is definitely very low as compared to the benign disease, which has a very slow indolent type of a course and the patient survives for years together. A classical example is Steve Jones, who had a neuroendocrine tumor of pancreatic nephropathy. We definitely treat such kind of tumors, the neuroendocrine tumors, in India. In fact, patients from other countries are coming to my hospital to get treated for neuroendocrine tumor as a part of our medical tourism program. If we ask about the opinion for Irfan Khan, he has just treated, there is a neuroendocrine tumor involving the brain, so it's too early to say anything, but in such kind of patients we require certain tests like PET scan, DOTA PET scan, to determine whether this disease has come primarily from CNS, that is brain, or it has spread to the brain from any other primary site.